Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to simultaneously erase all downloaded apps and their data on the OPPO A12 smartphone. One of the most effective solutions to software-related issues in mobile devices is a reset. It's like giving a device a clean, fresh start. There are different types of resets available on every smartphone and tablet. The main difference is on the type of data that's deleted. The steps I demonstrate in this tutorial video is an OPPO A12 reset that erases all downloaded apps and their data without affecting any important files from the internal storage. This reset can be regarded among the workarounds to clear up some storage space on the phone. It can also be a potential solution to app-related errors that cause the phone to glitch or malfunction. And here's how it works. First, locate the settings icon from the Home or Apps screen and then tap on it. Doing so will let you access the main settings menu along with the built-in settings and features. From the settings menu, scroll to find additional settings. Then, tap on it to continue. More settings will load up on the next screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the list. Then, tap back up and reset. Another window opens, highlighting relevant options. Scroll down to the Data Erasure section, then tap Reset to Factory Settings. Doing so will load up the reset menu with a list of all reset options. On the next screen, tap the option to erase downloaded apps and their data. Doing so will prompt the device to delete all apps that you've downloaded from the Play Store along with their data. If prompted, enter your PIN, pattern or password to proceed. Then, wait for the entire app and data deletion process to finish. Photos, music, and other non-app data will be retained so you won't lose any important information on the phone. All remaining apps on your device are only those that are built-in or pre-installed. By then you can start downloading necessary apps from the Play Store and do a fresh install. And that's how to erase downloaded apps and their data on the OPPO A12. If you find our contents useful, please help our channel grow by leaving a like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon should you wish to get notified of our next tutorial uploads. Thank you for watching.